Welcome to our countdown of the 10 weirdest animals you won't believe exist. Our planet is home to a truly extraordinary array of life, a breathtaking tapestry of creatures great and small. But amongst this vast menagerie, there are some animals that stand out. Animals so unusual, so bizarre, that they seem to defy the very laws of nature. From the depths of the ocean to the dense jungles, these creatures are sure to amaze you. Animals that have adapted to their environments in the most extraordinary of ways, evolving unique features and behaviors that boggle the mind. Prepare to be astounded as we reveal 10 of the most peculiar and fascinating creatures our planet has to offer. In the ancient lakes of Mexico, amidst the reeds and lily pads, lives a creature seemingly frozen in time. This is the axolotl, a salamander with a remarkable secret. Unlike its relatives who abandon the water and transform into land-dwelling adults, the axolotl chooses to retain its youthful, aquatic form throughout its life. But its most extraordinary feature, the one that earns it a place on our list, is its ability to regenerate, lose a limb, damage its spinal cord, even parts of its heart. The axolotl simply regrows them. This incredible regenerative power makes the axolotl not only deeply weird, but a subject of intense scientific study. Our journey into the bizarre now takes us to the island of Madagascar, home to some of the most unique and threatened wildlife on Earth. Here, under the cover of darkness, roams the aye-aye, a nocturnal lemur with an appearance as unusual as its lifestyle. With its bat-like ears, luminous eyes, and grotesquely long middle finger, the aye-aye is truly a sight to behold. This spectral primate has evolved a rather unique hunting technique. Using its powerful teeth to gnaw holes in wood, it then employs its elongated middle finger to tap the surface, listening for the telltale movement of grubs within. Once located, the aye-aye uses that same skeletal finger to extract its prey, making it the world's only primate to use echolocation for hunting invertebrates. From the shadowy depths of the ocean, we encounter a creature whose very existence seems impossible, the blobfish. Dwelling in the deep waters off the coast of Australia, this gelatinous oddity has earned the unfortunate title of world's ugliest animal. But beneath its rather unfortunate exterior lies a fascinating story of adaptation. Living at depths where pressure can be over 100 times greater than at the surface, the blobfish has done away with the need for a swim bladder, the gas-filled organ that helps most fish control their buoyancy. Instead, its body is composed of a gelatinous mass with a density slightly less than water, allowing it to effortlessly bob along the ocean floor, conserving precious energy in this harsh environment. Venturing back to land, we encounter our next bizarre creature in the damp, subterranean world of the eastern United States and Canada. This is the star-nosed mole, a creature that seems to have crawled straight out of a science fiction novel. Its most defining feature, and the one that gives it its name, is the extraordinary star-shaped appendage at the end of its snout. This fleshy, tentacled nose is no mere ornament. It is in fact one of the most sensitive sensory organs found in the animal kingdom. Packed with over 25,000 minute sensory receptors, known as Eimer's organs, the star nose allows the mole to detect seismic vibrations, pressure changes, and even the faintest electrical fields produced by its prey. In the pitch-black world it inhabits, the star-nosed mole is a remarkable example of how evolution solves problems in the most unexpected of ways. Our search for the weird and wonderful now brings us to the steppes of Central Asia, where a creature with a face straight out of a prehistoric mural roams. This is the Saiga antelope, a critically endangered animal whose very existence harks back to the last ice age. Its most striking feature is undoubtedly its large, bulbous nose, an adaptation as peculiar as it is vital. This oversized nasal appendage acts as a mobile air conditioning unit, warming the frigid winter air before it reaches the lungs and filtering out dust during the harsh summer months, when vast herds migrate across the steppes. Sadly, the Saiga antelope is facing an uncertain future, its populations decimated by habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this ancient and unusual creature, a poignant reminder of the fragility of life on our planet. Our quest for the bizarre now takes us to the depths of the Pacific Ocean, to a world of perpetual darkness and extreme pressure. Here, clustered around hydrothermal vents, lives the Yeti crab, a creature so unusual that it seems to defy categorization. Its most distinguishing feature is its covering of silky blonde setae, giving it the appearance of a miniature furry lobster. But these hairs are no mere decoration. They are in fact home to colonies of chemosynthetic bacteria, microscopic organisms that convert the chemicals spewing from the vents into energy. The Yeti crab, it seems, has formed a remarkable symbiotic relationship with these bacteria, using them to cultivate its own food source in this most inhospitable of environments. Back in the inky blackness of the deep sea, we encounter a creature that seems to have flown straight out of a Disney movie. This is the Dumbo octopus, named for its resemblance to the beloved cartoon elephant thanks to the two large ear-like fins that protrude from its mantle. But while Dumbo soared through the air, this octopus flits through the water, its fins propelling it through the abyssal plains in a graceful, almost hypnotic dance. Living at depths of up to 4,000 meters, the Dumbo octopus is rarely observed in its natural habitat, making each sighting of this ghostly cephalopod a rare and precious treat. Our journey into the bizarre now takes us to the arid grasslands of central Argentina, home to a creature that seems to have been shrunk in the wash. This is the pink fairy armadillo, the smallest armadillo species on Earth and a master of miniaturization. Measuring a mere 10 centimeters in length, this tiny creature is a marvel of adaptation. Its most distinctive feature is its pale pink carapace, which appears almost translucent, revealing a network of blood vessels beneath. This shell, loosely attached to its body, allows the pink fairy armadillo remarkable flexibility as it burrows through the sand, searching for insects and grubs. Its powerful claws, disproportionately large for its size, make it an efficient digger, turning the earth with surprising speed. From the sun-dappled shallows, we plunge once more into the cold, dark depths, this time encountering a creature that seems to be a relic of a bygone era. This is the goblin shark, a rare and elusive species that has changed little in millions of years, earning it the title of living fossil. Its most terrifying feature, and the one that gives it its name, is its long, protruding snout, armed with rows of sharp, nail-like teeth. But this fearsome appendage is no mere decoration. Using a complex system of ligaments and cartilage, the goblin shark can launch its jaws forward with lightning speed, snatching unsuspecting prey from the water column. This remarkable adaptation, coupled with its extendable jaw, allows the goblin shark to catch prey much larger than itself, a testament to its evolutionary success. Our final stop on this journey into the bizarre brings us to the kelp forest off the coast of Australia, where we encounter a creature so well camouflaged that it seems to melt into its surroundings. This is the leafy sea dragon, a master of disguise and a close relative of the seahorse, covered in long flowing appendages that mimic the fronds of the kelp it inhabits. This extraordinary fish is practically invisible to the untrained eye, but its camouflage is not its only claim to fame. Like its seahorse cousins, the male leafy sea dragon takes on the responsibility of brooding the eggs, carrying them attached to his tail until they hatch. This delicate dance of life, played out against the backdrop of the kelp forest, is a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world, no matter how strange it may seem. Thanks for joining us on this wild journey through the animal kingdom. We've explored the far corners of our planet and met some of the most bizarre and wonderful creatures imaginable. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, these animals remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. We'll be back soon with more incredible stories from the natural world. Which of these weird animals was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.